When things fall apart, who's the first person you turn to? Think about it. The one person you trust the most with your struggles, your fears, your unfiltered thoughts. Imagine being that person for someone else. That feeling of being their rock is more powerful than you might think, but it's not something that just happens overnight. Let's talk about how to become that person. In today's world, real connections are rare, but they're also priceless. Being someone's go-to means they trust you with things they don't tell just anyone. It's a powerful role to play, and it goes deeper than just being reliable. You're a source of comfort and strength. And here's the truth. We all need someone who just gets it and won't let us face things alone. Tip number 1. Listen. Don't fix. When people are stressed or upset, they don't always need advice. More often than not, they just need someone who will let them vent without interrupting or jumping in with solutions. Listening shows them you're not just hearing words, you're understanding what they feel. Consistency is the backbone of trust. It's easy to be there for someone during a crisis, but real support means being there in the in-between moments too. Checking in, even on the days that seem perfectly fine, shows that your care isn't conditional. Over time, those small gestures build a relationship that feels safe and secure. To be the first person someone turns to, they need to know you won't judge them. Being a safe space means accepting them for who they are, flaws and all. When someone feels accepted, they can trust you with the parts of themselves they usually keep hidden. We often think we have to be strong to be supportive, but sometimes being strong means showing our own vulnerabilities. It's easier to connect with people who are open about their own ups and downs. By sharing what you've been through, you're saying, "I've been there too." This can bring you closer and make them feel safe enough to lean on you. Caring doesn't have to be grand. Sometimes it's a simple thinking of you or asking how their day is going. Small, authentic gestures let them know they're on your mind, even when there's no crisis. When they feel that level of care, they're more likely to reach out to you when they really need help. Remember, building this kind of trust takes time. Be patient and show them you'll be there in the good times and the bad. It won't happen overnight, but each moment you're there builds a relationship that's solid and lasting. Before long, you'll be the one they think of when things get hard. Becoming someone's rock doesn't take a grand gesture. It's built day by day, step by step. Start now and see the difference you can make. For more ways to deepen your connections, don't forget to subscribe.